Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your age on the Google Play Store in 2025. Quick and easy. Whether you're setting up parental controls, updating your account, or just making sure everything is verified, this guide will walk you through step by step. First is open your Google Play account. Click your account, go to your personal info and click it. In the personal info, click your birthday and edit it, but if your account flagged as underage, you need to verify your account by using an ID to proof that you're above the required age limit. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to verify your age on the Google Play Store in 2025. Super quick, super simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.